Hello, this is Ricky with Service Guide. You want your ignition to be on? Once the ignition is on, you want to scroll using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel. Scroll until you see Settings. Press OK to select. So now we're on the second step. You want to scroll down until you see Maintenance. Press OK to select. Then once you're in the maintenance screen, you want to select Oil and Filter. Again, press OK to select. So now we're on the third and final step. Now in the oil and filter menu, you want to scroll down and press reset. Once you press reset, it will ask you if you want to confirm reset. Select yes. And your oil life has been reset. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.